11 minutes and 42 seconds. Goal for one. Kagandahan. Rizal Sande, foul. Kagandahan. For one. Yes sir, good for 1 point. Kagandahan points. No good. Rebound by Yanez. To Baratas, 1 point. To Yanez. 10 seconds to shoot. Goal for 2 points in the remaining time. Yanez to Abilia for 2 points. Yes sir, Adam Yanez. Kinuha ang mula. 10 seconds to shoot. Goal for 2 points Yanez. Yes.
Ay, nice.
To Kalalim, connection, no good. Rebound by Baratas. To Kalalim. Yes sir, 1 point. Last 5 minutes. Yanez. Pass to Kalalim for 1 point. Kalalim. Open again. Rebound by Yanez. 4 minutes and 15 seconds yan. Kalalim, 1 point. To Yanez. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Baratas, 1 point. Baratas. Yes, 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Yanez also drove with the ball. The protection, Yanez drives. Yes sir, 1 point. Yanez seconds to shoot. To Baratas, 5 seconds to shoot. 1 point by Baratas. 25 seconds. 1 point. 5 seconds. Winner! Gibang Real, ready for the championship round. Gibang Real, fighting for third for Panther Community Services. Okay, waiting na ang Gibang Real for championship pa. Alas 4. Next game, prepare. Metering Barako. And instalasyon.